Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, reviews, hauls, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So please do not mind my hair because I don't know, I just can't manage my hair. Please give me some tips if you have something because my hair is so frizzy and you can see these baby hair all over. So can't do anything. But yeah, in today's video we are gonna test out a bunch of new makeup from NY BAE. I have a few of them over here in my basket. So if you're interested to see what I got, make sure to subscribe. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So you can see I haven't applied anything because I really like doing my review videos and doing my makeup together so as to give you guys 100% honest opinion. Now thank you so much for loving my previous NY BAE video, but I realized that video was a little bit blurred, so there I tested out the primer, the foundation and बाकी की कुछ चीज़ें थी जो मैंने उस वीडियो में टेस्ट किया था, बट क्योंकि उसका क्वालिटी वॉज नॉट दैट गुड, सो आई एम प्लानिंग कि मैं एक और वीडियो करूंगी जो कि NY BAE के साथ कोलैब में है मेरे, लेकिन आज की वीडियो कोलैब में नहीं है, ये मैंने अपने पैसों से खरीदा है. सो या जो भी आने वाले टाइम में आप वीडियो देखोगे NY BAE के साथ वो कोलैब में होगी. उसके अंदर मैं फिर से आपको फाउंडेशन और ब्लश और हाईलाइटर बाकी जो चीज़ें हैं ना उनके बारे में मैं फिर से एक बार रिव्यू करूंगी क्योंकि मुझे पुराना वाला वीडियो उतना पसंद नहीं आया. एंड सॉरी, इंट्रो बहुत लॉन्ग हो गया, तो पहले मैं आपको बता दूं मेरे पास क्या क्या है. तो नया जो उनका लॉन्च हुआ था, दिस इज देयर प्रो स्ट्रोब क्रीम. तो मेरे पास उनका ये प्रो स्ट्रोब क्रीम है. एंड नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव देयर न्यूली लॉन्च्ड कंसीलर. यस, ये उनका कंसीलर है जो कि अभी अभी लॉन्च हुआ है. एंड नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव देयर शिमर ड्रॉप्स, जो कि ये एक लिक्विड हाइलाइटर है बाय द वे. या दिस इज अ लिक्विड हाइलाइटर. And then उनका ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर, दिस इज द ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. एंड लास्टली आई हैव देयर ग्लॉसेस. ठीक है, उनके ग्लॉसेस हैं. एंड एक उनकी आई शैडो स्टिक है. सो आई हैव कपल ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. तो चलिए फिर आइए टेस्ट करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी जस्ट test this one with you, which is NY BAE Pro Strobe Cream, and this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in a tube packaging. एंड फाइनली NY BAE ने अपने भी निकाल लिए ये स्ट्रोब क्रीम्स. इनके अंदर 3 स्ट्रोब क्रीम्स आते हैं, एक पिंक भी आता है, एक ब्रॉन्ज भी आता है, बट आई हैव दी गोल्ड वन विद मी. एंड बाय द वे इट रिटेल्स फॉर 249 रुपीज. एंड इसके अंदर जो आपको प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा 12 ग्राम्स. एंड आई रियली लव हाउ दिस पैकेजिंग लुक्स लाइक, क्योंकि ये काफी क्यूट सा छोटा सा पैकेजिंग है. एंड बाय द वे दिस इज वेरी लाइट वेट, हाई शाइन, मॉइस्चराइजिंग, पैराबेन फ्री, क्रुएल्टी फ्री and easily blendable, and you can use this up to 2 years. So let's test this out. So NY BAE is coming up with very nice products these days, I feel. Just gonna take a little bit back of my hand just to show you guys how this looks like. Okay, this is the texture. This is what the texture is. Whoa. It is, I feel that it is very gold for my liking. Yeah, it is quite gold. So let's see, let's just apply this. But the best part is कि इसके अंदर shimmer particles नहीं दिखेंगे आपको, and काफी moisturizing and glowy रहेगा ये, if you can tell. Yeah, so I'm just going to apply this on my face now. I chose the color gold because I really wanted to try out a gold strobe cream. Does have a very mild fragrance. Really very lightweight. When I'm applying this, ऐसा लग रहा है that this is truly lightweight. But it is not very moisturizing. If you think that this is going to give you a very moisturized look, this is not going to give you a very moisturized look. And let me just see it closely. It does look a little bit golden. Yeah, over here. Yeah, I have a lot of golden reflex over here and even on my forehead as well. And सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि ये बहुत जल्दी blend हो गया. This reminds me of the texture of the Lakme Lumi cream, but उसमें इतना ज़्यादा prominent नहीं है particles, but इसके अंदर the particles are very prominent. Let's talk about their concealer. So it's come in a very nice packaging, I feel. This is how the packaging looks like. Now it's very sleek and they have done a good job regarding the shades. They have a lot of shades, and if you are of dusky skin tone, you will get your shade. This is the shade Coffee, and I really don't know if this is going to suit me. And to blend this out, I'm going to test their beauty blender also, which, let me just show you, which is like this. So this is what it looks like without soaking it in the water. So I'm just going to soak it in the water, and let me show you how the size of this increases. So I have soaked this under a running tap, and the water is so cold. So this is how it looks like. It certainly has increased in size. Yeah, you can see it has increased in size, but the problem with this one is that it's not very soft. Like, I have my Mars beauty blender जो कि इतना soft है, you won't feel a thing if you are applying anything. Nevertheless, let's just try this. So I'm just going to try this concealer under my eyes, and let's see. This is how the wand looks like. It's a pretty nice doe foot applicator, and let's just see if the shade suits me. Yeah, I think the shade is good for me if I want to color correct with this shade. तो कलर करेक्शन के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा शेड है, आई फील. बट अगर मुझे इसको इससे हाईलाइट करना होगा, आई डोंट थिंक सो आई वुड बी एबल टू हाईलाइट विद दिस वन, क्योंकि इसका जो अंडरटोन है इट इज़ वेरी वेरी ऑरेंज, आई फील. Okay, it is blending nicely, but I don't think so it is very very blendable. Blend the concealer just to see how it will give me, just to see the look it is going to give me. So one thing I can say that it is not very creamy. तो ये बहुत ड्राई हो रहा है, तो आपको बहुत ही जल्दी इसको ब्लेंड करना पड़ेगा. एंड अच्छा हुआ मैंने ये कंसीलर जो है पहले लगाया, नहीं तो ये फाउंडेशन के ऊपर जो है ये बिल्कुल ही येलो येलो लगता अगर मैं फाउंडेशन के ऊपर लगाती तो. बट यही बात है कि दिस इज़ नॉट वेरी क्रीमी, आई फील. ठीक है, तो ये थोड़ा सा आपके ड्राई पैचेस में लग सकता है इफ़ यू हैवंट मॉइस्चराइज्ड योर स्किन वेल. नाउ गोइंग टू टेक द ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर, एंड इसको थोड़ा सा और मैं ब्लेंड कर लूँगी. So texture wise this is definitely lightweight, and इसका जो coverage है this is again something somewhere between medium. Like I can say that this is very sheer to medium coverage. ये आपको full coverage नहीं देगा because इसने मुझे full coverage तो बिल्कुल नहीं दी है. Plus this shade I feel it is too yellow for me. So if I want to apply this, I have to apply this before I am applying my foundation, क्योंकि otherwise the shade is not going to suit me. There are many shades, you can go for any other shade, but I feel coffee is a little bit yellow and it is a little bit dark for me, and I don't think that this is very smooth. Yeah, this is not very drying either, but when I was blending it ये बहुत अच्छे से blend नहीं हो रहा था. Let me tell you, because I have used many concealers जो बिल्कुल seamlessly blend हो जाते हैं. ये seamlessly blend नहीं हुआ, but इसका जो coverage है this is sheer to medium. Okay guys, you already know that I love this foundation, लेकिन I am not a very big fan of the blender, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही अजीब तरीके से blend, ये बहुत अच्छे से blend नहीं कर पा रहा है. I have used better beauty blenders. I have used Mars का beauty blender, I have used Los Angeles का beauty blender. Those are like very very good, and plus ये प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करता है, बट इसका जो ब्लेंडिंग का जो टेक्निक है, तरीका है, वो मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं आया. I have applied this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the blush, bronzer, eyebrows, and then I'm going to see you. So I have done my blush and bronzer and eyebrows. So what I was thinking is that let's just build the concealer once more. देखते हैं कि कंसीलर को एक बार और बिल्ड करने के बाद कैसा इफेक्ट आता है. तो बस मैं थोड़ा सा ही लूंगी, एंड थोड़ा सा मैं इधर लेना चाहती हूँ. सो लेट्स सी ये कैसा वर्क करता है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई एम गोइंग टू यूज अ ब्रश ओनली टू ब्लेंड दिस. See, that's what I was talking about. अभी ये जैसे येलो दिख रहा है ना आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस, सो दैट्स माई ओनली कंसर्न कि अगर आपने ये शेड लिया है सो प्लीज अप्लाई दिस बिफोर योर फाउंडेशन, अदरवाइज इट विल लुक अ लॉट ऑफ येलो जैसे अभी आपको दिख रहा है. Not very impressed with the concealer either because I feel I have used better concealers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it with powder. तो अगर आपको बहुत सारा डार्क सर्कल है एंड इफ यू थिंक कि वो डार्क सर्कल इससे कंट्रोल हो जाएंगे, तो मुझे नहीं लगता, क्योंकि डेली वेयर का कंसीलर है एंड मुझे ये ओके लगा. इनफैक्ट बिलो एवरेज लगा. आई हैव यूज्ड बेटर कंसीलर्स. सो लेट्स जस्ट नाउ यूज दी हाईलाइटर. सो मेरे पास जो इनका हाईलाइटर है वो है शिमर ड्रॉप्स. This is what the highlighter looks like. It's a liquid highlighter, of course. This is how the packaging is. And ये एक ऐसे ट्यूब पैकेजिंग ही, ट्यूब नहीं मतलब आप कह सकते हो लिपस्टिक की पैकेजिंग की तरह ही आता है. And this is how the wand looks like. And let's just see how this looks like. तो इस तरीके से कुछ दिखता है. एंड मैंने जो शेड लिया था वो ब्रॉन्ज लिया था because I really love bronze color. And yeah, this is how it looks like. काफी अच्छी शाइन है. लेट्स जस्ट अप्लाई दिस ऑन माय फेस एंड या बहुत इजीली अप्लाई हो जाएगा क्योंकि इसका डो फुट एप्लीकेटर इज वेरी नाइस आई फील. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू यूज माय फिंगर्स ओनली टू ब्लेंड दिस. डेफिनेटली यू कैन यूज द ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर एज वेल. So it gives a very subtle glow and you can definitely build this up. You can also use this before your foundation. You can mix this with your foundation for that glow. And I think I like this one क्योंकि इसके अंदर chunky particles बिल्कुल नहीं है. And for the price, I can't complain because it's a really good one. Yeah, this is how it looks like. I just love how it just gives me a very nice glow over here and over here also. And yeah, I can literally tell that this is really nice and definitely an yay from my side. Now second last thing is the eyeshadow pencil. So I got this as a free gift. I have one more जो कि lavender shade में है, but I don't think so lavender shade will go with this outfit and this look. So I'm going to use the gold one only. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's a very chotu sa pencil. And yeah, this is Prom Ready Eyeshadow Pencil. This is in the shade Sweetheart Neck 7. So just going to apply this on my eyelid. Actually, this is a yellow pencil, okay? It's not golden, it's yellow by the way. So let me just see how this applies on the. I really love the lavender one because I feel that वो lavender वाला ना it's really good for my skin tone. ये वाला इतना पता नहीं लग रहा है क्योंकि this is of course a very subtle color and it's not showing up as much as the lavender one shows up, but it's super creamy. What I like is it's super creamy. And if you want to do yellow eye makeup or anything like that, so definitely you can use this as a base. Like how it looks, and definitely you can use this as your base. This is not very it's not like your shimmery eyeshadow. This is a matte eyeshadow and it was very inexpensive, but I like how it looks on my eyes. So now let's just move towards the last segment of this particular video, that is the lip glosses. So I have 3 lip gloss with me and this is how the packaging looks like. And they say that this is gloss getter lip gloss, low to medium coverage, glossy finish, pearly satin finish, and this is very very lightweight. Retails for 220 rupees. I have 3 shades with me. I have berry rare. They have a lot of shades. I think 7 shades हैं, तो मैंने 3 लिए हैं, peachy play and caramel cashew. So today I'm going to apply this one. I'm going to show you the swatches as well. I'm going to insert the swatches here now. So I'm going to use Bare Rare and this is the packaging. It is very similar to their highlighter packaging and I really love how the packaging is. It just have a lot of lips, cute lips over here. So just applying this, and then I'm going to tell you what I feel about this. Now, talking about the lip gloss, of course, this is not your matte lipstick, so this is going to transfer. And these are not very glossy. Like if I talk about Inside Cosmetics glosses, they are very glossy. This reminds me of the Cups and Lashes lip lacquer. This reminds me of Cups and Lashes lip lacquer because this is not very glossy, and this is not like your in your face type of glosses, and neither these are very drying. Very comfortable satiny finish, and I love how this looks like. Plus NY BAE is an Indian brand, so definitely you can invest in this. Plus you get a lot of discounts when you are buying this. So this is not very glossy, but yes, this is satiny, and this is going to give your lips a really nice punch of color as well. So I like this color. I like the other two colors also. They do have pigment in them, so be careful. You can use them directly. It's not necessary that you have to use a lipstick because these have pigment. Remember this thing. I love how this feels on my lips. It's very hydrating and very moisturizing, I feel. And ये 1-2 घंटे बाद of course चला जाएगा because it's a glossy lipstick. So glosses are in, and I am really happy with this one. Okay guys, so moment of truth. So let's start with the very first thing, which is the Stroop Cream in the shade Gold Sapphire. I don't like it because I can't see any difference it made to my base, and in fact they just turned out my base to be really goldeny. So I'm not a very big fan of this. I have definitely used much better strobe creams like the Swiss Beauty one. That also has golden undertone, but it's so moisturizing. It looks super good. I have used Mars, but not a very big fan of this, so you can give this one a pass if you have the other ones, and I won't recommend you guys to purchase this one. Let's talk about the concealer. Again, I don't know if you like it, but I personally did not like how this looks on my face because I have used better concealers, and you know, Inside concealer jo hai, that is so good, so inexpensive. Swiss Beauty ka concealer is super good, and Mars ka concealer is super good, but then this one is not that good. If you really want to get one concealer, get the Inside concealer because that is super good. In fact, I like that better than my Swiss Beauty concealer, so definitely you can give this a pass. It is not bad, but it is not very good. Next up are the Shimmer Drops Liquid Highlighter, and I loved it because I really like how this is giving me a glow. And not high-end brands, but not so affordable brands like Sugar Cosmetics and LA Girl, they also have this type of liquid highlighter, and I'm really happy about the NY BAE one because it is super inexpensive. Plus this gives you the same effect like the Sugar one. Sugar one retails for somewhere around 650 rupees, and this is super inexpensive. I mean, this is amazing, and the shade Bronze Babe, it is meant for my skin tone. I feel I really love how this looks on my skin, makes my skin looks very fresh, glowy, so definitely I will recommend this. And now talking about the beauty blender. Again, I did not enjoy the beauty blender. I feel I had to make effort to blend it, and I have used better beauty blenders. I have already told you I have used the Mars one and Cal Los Angeles, so that is also very good, but yeah, you can definitely give this a pass. It's not the best. About the eyeshadow sticks, so you can definitely give this a try. This is based on your personal experience, personal preference. I really like the lavender one. I did not like it that much because it did not show up on my skin, but definitely you can build this up. You can apply a powder shadow. It will look good. So I don't know about this one, but if you want to buy, you can go for the lavender one. That is very pigmented, and that is really good. We are left with the glosses. Now again, I told you these glosses are not super glossy, but definitely these are not sticky at all, so comfortable. So I would recommend this because I like it. Yeah, I definitely like it. Not over the top, really nice. And if you are someone who does not like the effect of liquid lipstick, you can go for this one. You're not going to regret. I think that's a wrap. That's all the products which I have. These are the products which were newly launched by NY BAE, and please stay tuned for one more video where I'm going to review the foundation once more because that quality of the video wasn't that good, and a few more products like the primer and everything. I'm just going to do that one again, but I didn't want to include that in this video because that is going to be a separate video. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and these videos are really fun to do because I feel if something is getting launched in the market, you guys should know whether it is worth buying or not. And here on my channel, you get 100% honest opinion. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like this, and yeah, let me know what you guys think about these products. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.